Hello everyone, have a great day, and this is Glorious Binchar. Our video for today, where we're going to cook stewed beef. So I have here carrots, onions, and potato, and of course our meat. I also use garlic, onion, and ginger. So I have here the potato which is I already cut. As you can see, I put oil and salt, and I mix it using my hands, my hand, and then I am going to cook it in an oven. So here I put it in the oven and I set the 180 degrees Celsius and cook it for half hour. So here we are going to cut our beef into cubes and then we're going to boil it to remove the excess blood from the meat. So after that, after boiling, strain it and set aside so that we can cook here. After boiling, you can set it aside. And then it's going to cook. Proceed now. So I have here in pressure cooker, I pan fry my garlic, onion, and ginger, and I put the meat that I just boiled, the beef that I just boiled. So I put in oyster sauce, salt, mix it, and then I am going to add soy sauce. Going to add soy sauce and then white pepper. Mix it again and then let's add wine, cooking wine. I also forgot to put star anise and leaves, bay leaves. And I added dark soy sauce and water. And now we can close the pressure cooker so that we can cook it to tenderize our beef. Tcharam! So after the meat is tender, I transfer it in the pan and I mix the carrots and potato together. Just mix it and then boil it for a while until the water is gone or until the sauce becomes sticky. And see, this sauce becomes sticky. Sticky. And I want to try. Perfect. So here is it, our beef stew. Very yummy. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a great day ahead.